Here's your forecast.
Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, thanks, Mike and Shannon. Definite change in the weather, a change in seasons. Summer yesterday, much cooler today. Skies are clear, cold. Downtown Providence already dropping down to the upper 30s to low 40s. Hello, Coventry are leading the way, 38 degrees, 42 in Smithfield. We have a freeze warning for the areas in light blue. The reason why the rest of the area is not shaded in blue, you've had your first hard freeze of the season already, but it hasn't happened in these light purple areas, but it will happen overnight into early tomorrow morning. Bottom line, much colder overnight. Autumn is back, that freeze warning for tonight, and tracking the cold, almost a hurricane expected to make impact on Florida tomorrow night. We'll get some remnant moisture from the storm and a little bit of wind by Friday night and Saturday. Now, we're not getting a hurricane, but some rain and some gusty wind. Again, that's Friday night into Saturday morning. Skies are clear. Really, the eastern half of the country is quiet, so I don't see a drop of rain until Friday night into early Saturday. This is Nicole. Here's Florida and the Bahamas. Almost a hurricane. The wind's now at 70 miles per hour. These numbers just coming in from the National Hurricane Center, moving west at 10. This is not anticipated to be an Ian-like hurricane that happened over the summer, but still a dangerous storm. Hurricane warnings, the areas in red. This is an East Coast Florida concern, unlike Ian, which was a West Coast storm over the summer. Tracking west-northwest, making landfall late tomorrow night, early Thursday morning as a Category 1 hurricane. Then it makes the turn, it weakens, and then whatever's left of it in terms of some rain and some gusty wind arriving here Friday night into Saturday morning. It's gone by Saturday afternoon. Things will start to improve. So when we say gusty wind, what are we talking about here? Friday night, Saturday morning, gusts to 40, 50 miles per hour. Some heavy downpours. The heaviest rain staying to our north and west, but still getting some downpours Friday night, Saturday morning. I think any coastal flooding along the South Shore would be minor, but that potential is there. So obviously no hurricane conditions, but stormy during that time period. Cold, frosty early tomorrow morning. Yeah, autumn is here, 35 after nearly 80 degrees yesterday, 50 and around 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, and bright, cool and dry, not as windy tomorrow afternoon. I mean, a decent day for almost mid-November with temperatures between about 50 and 55. Bay forecast has unlimited visibility, a north breeze turning northeast at about 10 to 15 knots. All right, 7-day forecast showing the quiet weather through at least Friday day. We'll bring in some rain and wind on Friday night into Saturday morning. I see some improvement by Saturday afternoon. Sunday is a colder day. It's not a storm day, but there's a chance of a shower late in the day on Sunday with temperatures only in the lower 50s and turning colder next week, Monday and Tuesday. Look at that. Daytime highs in the upper 40s. A couple of days to be watching the cold, but for now, some heavy rain and some gusty wind in that Friday night to Saturday morning time frame. Mike and Shannon?